In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a parallax effect. I'm going to use like the super sentimental movie, like just images. So I'm going to try to get through this without crying. I don't know why I chose to do this, but let's see. Let's see if I can do my best. We'll get to this in a minute. Cool. So, a parallax effect is when you have basically two boxes, and then one box moves over the other box at, there's a background and there's a foreground box. The one that's in the background, doesn't move, the one in the foreground does. So it makes it look like they're moving at different rates, but they're not. One is moving and the other one's not. So I will show you what I mean. So we'll do parallax, and then parallax 1, and then by doing an ID like this, you don't have to put anything right here. It'll literally just do it based off of the CSS. So that's where I'll insert the images and stuff like that. You can do it here, but I like to just do everything in CSS. It's just easier for me, but it's up to you, however you want to do things. Another side note about parallaxes is that a lot of the browsers have issues on mobile devices. So though it'll look fine, if you're looking at on a computer screen, at the different I'm not gonna resize this because then the video recording will stop it. I smoke cigarettes, so that's why I cough. But anyways, so divide parallax effect. So this will be that, and then you'll have your so this will be the box that doesn't move, and then the box that does move will be the next one, like this right here. So will be flex, and then we'll put we'll do another image in this one, class flex, and then you'll see ID equals flex 1. So parallax 1. So the so I'll do so everything that'll be the same, I'll use the class for, and then the only thing that I'm going to use the ID for is just to assign a picture for the box. So we'll do that, and then and if you want to use the same picture multiple times, then I could just do class. I would just move the parallax 1 into here, parallax 1. Did I spell it right? Yeah. I would just do that, but I'll show you. I'll just leave that because I can do that and it won't do anything. But so parallax, and then also I'm going to do body margin 0, and then yeah, I'll just do images and things like that. You can add whatever you want to inside, p elements, things like that. It doesn't really matter. But for now, I'm just going to just do strictly images. We'll start out with that and see how it goes. So there's that, and then we'll do parallax again, parallax, and then we'll do parallax 2, and then we'll do flex 2, and we'll just do one more, parallax, maybe parallax 3, and then we'll do flex, maybe flex 3. Cool. So we have our 3 different flex boxes and our 3 different parallax boxes. So just to get started, so display flex, And then we'll do min height 100 vertical height. Flex min display flex min height 100 vertical height. And then we'll do in another video I mentioned how you can do a little asterisk universal thing. I think it's universal thing, but anyways, what this means is just everything. Do everything, do this to everything. So everything. Solid. So see how that does that. And then so each one of these is going to be our boxes. So I'd like to help get started. So we'll do P1. I'll remove these. I can even do it with CSX or in the CSS. Flex 1. So watch parallax 1, flex 1, parallax 2, flex 2. This is just to keep it organized if you want to. Just to know where you're at and where you're working with things. It's always good to know where you're at with things. People, things. Cool. So parallax. So yeah. So parallax 1, flex 1, parallax 2, flex 2, parallax 3, flex 3. The parallaxes are going to be the ones that aren't moving, and then the flex boxes are the ones that are going to be moving. So you can almost kind of picture something here that stays put, and then this box moves up. That's what we're going to be doing, and then this will be this, it'll have the same effect throughout. So, and then parallax 1. Copy 2, 3, 3. Like I said, we're going to just use these for assigning the images. And then flex 1. Oops. That was 2. Cool. So, and then we'll do parallax, and then we'll just leave everything to parallax 1. Oops. Parallax 2. This is just to save coding, so you don't have to rewrite everything for everything. You just group it. And then we'll do, actually we'll just do flex. Yeah, I didn't do any of that. Okay. Actually, I already did that with the class. So, background size. We'll start with that and see how that works. Background size cover, background position, center. The first center right here is going to be where it's aligned on the x-axis, and then the center right here is going to be on the y-axis. So, and then it centers it to the viewport axis. So it'll be on the center of the x-axis, and then the center of the y-axis is where they'll place the picture. And then we'll go here. And then we'll start with, I know, corny, right? Cheesy. I don't care. It's a good movie. We'll just do all of them. Background image. So, yeah. So there's that. We'll just assign each of them, and then we'll adjust it from there. I haven't planned any of this. I'm going off of what I'm just putting one foot in front of the other. You can do GIFs, you can do whatever. The only thing with the GIF is that is smaller. GIF, whatever. And let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Package 5, 6. So, like I said, for the parallax, we're going to have that one be the one that doesn't move. So currently as it is, this is how it's like going to be, where it would just, I think this is like scroll is what the default is. So, but I want to have the background for the parallaxes be fixed. So I will declare that. I think it's called declaring. I keep saying that word, but background attachment is what it is for this. So, fixed. And then when I do that, now it doesn't move. Ta-da! So, and then to help get rid of like the background repeats, you would just background repeats none. Wait, what? Sorry. No repeat. Background repeat. Wait, what am I doing? Background repeat. No repeat. Why is that not doing what I want it to do? There's flex. Oh wait, no. Flex 2, flex 3. Repeat. So yeah, there we go. I could actually even do this if I wanted to. Ta-da! And then, so the only thing is that it will be like the fixed thing, so like that would be like a double parallax like effect, which as well, but I sometimes like the background effect to be one to be a scroll and the other one to be fixed. So we'll do this, and then we'll get rid of the fixed part. So, like, see how that does, like, it, one, like I said, the foreground box is moving, and then the background box is not, is essentially what's going on. But like I said, when it has issues with some of the browsers, so just keep that in mind. How to, like, avoid that issue is, doing it, like, let's see, so this here, actually, so right now, having it like having it be a mid width it would require like the viewport itself to be a mid-width of 1364, but you like the browsers don't really have issues like on a desktop or a computer screen, even at like a smaller, like when you resize the browser like window. So min device width is what works well for, so like it'll basically always be a parallax with the browser, but it won't be a parallax on like a device, like on your phone or whatever. And then we'll do this. And it's just for the background attachment, like the fixed one. So we'll do that. And then just get rid of that. And then get rid of that right there. So this isn't going to do anything like on the browser like right now, because this route, like the mid width, minimum width of 1364 px. But what it would look like on like a phone or whatever is if I were just to take that out. So then what it would do is it would do the scroll effect. So this is what it would look like on a phone. But and it's just however you want it, like whatever you feel comfortable with, like whatever you like want like your thing to look like, I think. So device, and then it goes back to the parallax. And then, oh yeah, that's right here. Color, transparent. So that'll take off the, I mean, it'll still like, you can still do like that and you'd see it, but just as like an option, I guess. Color transparent. Yeah. So there's that. But I'm going to finish this video, but I hope that helps, and